Hey everybody, this is the first wallet I ever made in 2007, and I carried it for a couple of years. Now, what I did was, it's very Japanese inspired. I took a Casey's wallet and a Red Moon wallet, and I kind of combined the two designs. And then you can see the stitching is horrific, and I used a framing hammer, and I broke a stitching chisel, and it's just cheap tandy leather. But for our 18th birthday, Corter, I made, so far I've released a pattern pack that's just a big pack of different card wallets you can make, and you can combine things and make different ones. And you can make a modern version of this. So today I'm going to show you what my modern version would be of my first Snap wallet, because times have changed. In the United States, really, we don't carry, there's a coin case, and I lived in Boston, don't need tokens anymore for the train. And yeah, so we're going to make a modern version of this, and I'll see you in the end. We'll talk about the changes that we made. And here we go. Here's the new wallet. And if I had to make a first wallet in 2025 and I wanted a Snap wallet, it would probably be something like this. You notice it's a lot slimmer. It uses a magnetic closure. I love these magnetic closures. They're so smooth, they work so well, and there's nothing to wear out on them. Not that I've ever really had a Snap wear out, but you get to be almost 20 years in business, you do start to see some repairs come in that are just simply stuff has been used for a long time. No matter the quality, things wear out after a while. The outside is a leather called Craze. This is a new leather from Newbury Leathers. You can get them in Buckle Guy. And I chose this because it's a turquoise, and this is really cool. So it signifies the patina that I always aim for my work being able to achieve. But it's also turquoise, and that kind of just harkens back to how my original inspirations were inspired by the indigenous people of the United States. They used a lot of turquoise, and the founders of Red Moon spent a lot of time in the Midwest as kids looking at that sort of art. So I thought the turquoise was really nice. It also signifies how I'm not so much of a purist with natural veg tin anymore. I like to use different colors. The inside is very simple. We have a layered 2-pocket on one side for cards. This can be for cards, cash receipts, whatever. And overall, this design just, I hope, shows kind of how much I've grown as sort of a maker. You learn to take things away instead of add things. And that can be a lot more difficult. The additive process is much easier. The removal process is much more difficult because you need to make sure that everything is super efficient. And that's going to be it. So this is my 2025 take on the wallet that I made as my first wallet. You can get the pattern in the description, and I will see you in the next one.